over there, baby. There's rubbish there.
Okay, my love, okay.
Make sure it's clean.
Mahlalele.
Baba.
Wenzani?
Right.
Anyaphila kuja.
Sawubona.
Usambingelela ziphuthanyela
Wenzani?
Mina.
Ngithi wenzani?
Ade sibonga ukuthi ngina indawo zingcolile.
Sanibonani.
Sothi lokho lwenzani?
Hello.
La ulesikhathi sokumkhulumisa. Hayi baba, kuyini khona imhlolo yona le?
Mind your own business.
Mahlalele sodlisiwe.
Hayi ukuthi ngibone sokungcolile ngasezini.
Lokhe ngazalwa yenza ke ngibona idoti lewe yenzayo. Uthanyela umfazi emile ethola isibuke sendlini.
What's wrong with that? Okurong akhona kokuyini?
Khathi kuyini baba ngurongwe?
Mahlalele.
Akakazathandwe baby batshela.
Kuright kona?
Kurayi ndoda ngisethandweni.
Yebo.
Mhm.
Antomzwile uthe mind your own business.
Yes, mind it.
Your own business yani la business yakhe mawe business. Akumkhuze baba, akwazi ukugqoka kahle umntwana lo.
Uwa.
Agqoke kahle angafaki lezi zinto ezifitshane.
What's wrong with my dressing?
Lapha lizokhuza umfazi wami.
Besizokubona thina.
Iyaphatha ukuthi uthola umfazi wami ungaqokanga kuthi ukuthi.
Hayi phela Mahlalele phela wena lawe lo mfazi wakho into eyiwana ngithi. So nxa sesibona okungani kutshekile kufuze sikhulume.
Okutekele umfazi wami.
Ukugqoka bani khona?
Akachonga ubaba uthi umfazi wakho utshekile gubha indlebe Mahlalele. Maswadliswa wedwa udliswa ngala.
Oh, and this one, man, baby, they're annoying me now. They're annoying. Beat these stupid ideas out of them. Beat them. Beat them, baby. Beat them. They're very stupid people. Beat them.
Mana.
Kadla usufuna ukugoqiza.
Beat him, baby.
Hayi.
Mawuthambithe nami ngizokubhila.
Beat him. Who do you know me? Do you really know me?
Mahlalele.
Beat him.
Nami ngizokubhila.
Beat him, baby. Beat him.
Yes, yeah, ampenjani.
Zokubhitha lami. Zokubhitha. Zokubhitha
Hayi
lami.
baba ngamali. Kumele kuthekile.
No, I'm not going to take. I'm not taking it easy.
Zwana Mahlalele.
Mana usakhuluma la nje manje bazalimaza.
Baby, I said beat them.
Zokubhitha. Baba
Beat them.
bamfazi wakho.
If you can't beat them, I will.
Hayi baba. Baba
Beat them. Beat them up. They're very stupid. What is wrong with my dressing?
Mani.
Hayi
Udlisa uMahlalele akadlisanga thina baba.
please baba take it easy.
Hayi Mahlalele. Hayi Mahlalele.
Thina usihlonye
No.
Just do that.
No, easy. Hayi no, please.
Mani.
Baba. No, please. Baba,
Mahlalele.
Easy people.
No, please.
Sidelelwe into yakho leyo thina.
Hayi.
Akunabasabutheli kathi nawe undikhona baba.
No.
Hayi mayekwesaba
I'll
umike.
kill them.
I'll
kill them.
Please.
I'll kill them.
No.
Do they know me?
No,
Do you know me? Do you know who I am?
No, man.
Kill them.
Take it easy,
They
please.
should learn to mind their own business, baby.
Yes, yeah, no. Come this side, please. No,
I've got energy, you know it.
Yeah, you have energy, I know. I know you have a lot of energy. Please, man, please, take it easy.
They should mind their own business.
Yeah, no,
Listen, what's that?
no.
I'll kill them.
No, they are not okay. Please. Uyahlanya umuntu lwana.